Welcome, everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to show you an incredible breakthrough in the world of AI. Thanks to the release of powerful new AI tools and updates, it is now possible to generate videos and animations from a single still image. You heard it right! Imagine turning your favorite photos into captivating animated videos. And the best part? You can achieve this using an amazing tool called Pika Labs. Before I dive into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Pika Labs. Initially designed as a text-to-video AI tool, Pika Labs allows you to generate videos from simple text prompts. But here's the real magic: you can now upload your own images and turn them into mesmerizing animated videos. Like this.
Let me walk you through how easy it is to use. First of all, open Pika Labs and join the beta. Then select any of this Generate room. Here we can see creators like us have conjured up mind-blowing videos using ingenious prompts and images. If you like any of these videos, you can also download and use them. Now, to generate video, simply type /create a prompt and then enter your prompt, just like this. It might take a few minutes, but trust me, it's well worth the wait. And here it is. This is what Pika created for us. Here, we can see Pika Labs highlights your message with a captivating yellow line, making it stand out amid the sea of other messages. So we can see our message very easily. Now let's feast our eyes on the video. Prepare to be amazed. Oh, and don't forget, you can easily download your masterpiece right here. Or if you are not satisfied with the result, no worries. Hit the Regenerate button and let Pika Labs surprise you with even more awe-inspiring results. Now let's generate video with image. For this, type /create prompt. And then click on this plus image, and then upload your image here. So here's the result. This is how you can turn any image into video by using just simple prompts. Let's regenerate this and see the result. So this is how it looks. It's amazing. You can create an amazing video by using different prompts. I am gonna show you a trick that how you can find your video message among so many messages. Just go to the inbox and check your message here, and then click on Jump to open the message. So this is how you can find your messages from so many messages. You can also create video for your food video or for commercial ad with the correct prompt. Just write a brief explanation of what you want in a video, and then wait for your video. So here it is. It's amazing. Now let's try with image. So here I am going to upload one image using same prompt, and let's wait to see what Pika created for us. And here it is. It's also looking good.
So this is how you can create an amazing video just using simple prompt or images. I hoped you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech adventures. Until next time, keep creating and wowing the world.